stick on now since I didn't really get them at the shop. I'm not old enough, I'm only 9. And also I cannot take them off after, so I'm gonna need something to take them off because then when I go to church, then they're gonna be like, oh, this and that, this and that, this and that. They're gonna say random things and be like, oh, why are you wearing that? Hey, why would you wear that? And then they're gonna blame it on my aunt for doing that. But anyway, it's fine. These ones are just stick on nose. They haven't worked properly. This one works properly. This one, yeah, this is the only one that works properly. I don't know how, but it always works on the last now. This thing's actually stuck on there. I got it. These nails all over me. Let me pick it up. The last clip I accidentally showed my feet and people don't like that, so I'm just covering up my hand right now. So, yeah. But I think I'm gonna paint. So, yeah. My ears, there's like, I don't know if there's like a lot of things in there, like earwax in there, but I can't hear out of this ear. I think I'm deaf right now. So I'm just gonna try to look inside of it and see what's going on. If it's like too much earwax, I'm gonna go order those one of those things where you grab like a little tool and then it has a camera on it to show you where the earwax is. You just put it in your ear to take out all the earwax. If I can't order it, I'm just gonna post pencil with my ears. I don't know, because a Q-tip only pushes it farther, and my ear already hurts, so I'm covering this ear so it doesn't hurt. Could you see that? It was like on the side of your ear. That was alright too. Anyway, get down. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but right now I'm gonna paint. Gosh, and I'm gonna get all this earwax out of my ear because it keeps bothering me. Is that the ice cream truck? Oh wait, I'm recording. Sorry, I was trying to look outside because I saw the ice cream truck.